So hey RunWise users, and Happy New Year. I took 10 days off at the end of 2025 and started running again yesterday on New Year's Day. So I'm being careful as I begin to ramp my training back up after the rest period. And I wanted to take this opportunity to demonstrate the RunWise's next day planning functionality. So I'm going to use the next day planning card, plan next day, where I can enter information about tomorrow's run. It's Saturday morning. I plan to run 8 miles, so I put the distance in, and let's put it in average pace, 8 minutes 10 seconds. Use the calculate injury risk button to generate the risk score, and RunWise says medium risk, so I'm going to want to iterate on that and see if I can reduce it. So I go down to the bottom, click the adjust plan button, where I get back to the next day planning form. Again, 8 miles. This time I'll want to run a little slower, so maybe 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Click calculate injury risk and low risk. So look at that, that's great. So what does this mean? It's RunWise telling me that if I run 8 minutes and 10 seconds per mile instead of 8 minutes and 30 seconds per mile average pace, that I'll be injured. Maybe, maybe not. What it's definitely telling me is that the algorithm sees some risk, and this makes sense based on my history. So what are my takeaways? Two things. Number one, stay mindful. I'm just getting back into training, and I've got plenty of time before my next race in March. And number two, I can focus on pace tomorrow. I don't want to go too hard, and this might be challenging given the nice weather and my fresh legs. Well, that's it for now, and I'll report back after tomorrow's run. Before yesterday's run, I used the RunWise tool to plan the day. At 8 miles, it showed low risk at about 8:30 pace and medium risk if I pushed closer to 8:10 pace. As you could see in Strava, I ended up running roughly 8 miles, but closer to 8 minutes pace, which put me in the medium risk range. As expected, the weather was nice and I felt well rested, making it tough to slow the pace. The medium risk didn't mean an injury was going to happen, though. Think of the RunWise risk score like a weather forecast. It's a probability, which isn't a promise. It's a signal based on past patterns. Medium risk just meant the conditions were more uncertain than usual. This made sense since I'm ramping back up after some time off. For me, that's a risk I'm willing to tolerate right now. I felt good, I'm monitoring how I respond, and I'll adjust if needed. So RunWise isn't trying to predict the future. It's helping me make intentional decisions as I build back to fitness, so I can keep training consistently instead of guessing. Remember, RunWise doesn't tell you what to do, it helps you decide.